To pay with Revolut Junior on your phone, start by opening the Revolut app and navigating to the Junior account section. If you have not already, you will need to set up a Junior account for your child, which can be done through the main Revolut app by going to the account settings and selecting the option to create a Junior account. Once the Junior account is set up, you can add money to it by transferring funds from your main Revolut account. To do this, go to the Junior account section and select the Add Money option. Then choose the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. To make a payment with Revolut Junior, your child will need to have a Revolut Junior card, which can be ordered through the app. Once they have the card, they can use it to make contactless payments in stores or online. To make a payment, your child should open the Revolut Junior app and select the Pay option. They will then be prompted to enter the amount they want to pay and the merchant's details. If the payment is contactless, they can simply tap their phone or card on the payment terminal. It is essential to teach your child how to use the Revolut Junior app responsibly and securely. This includes setting a PIN or password for the app and card, and being cautious when making online payments. As a parent, you can also use the Revolut app to monitor your child's spending and set limits on their account. You can do this by going to the Junior account section and selecting the Account Settings option. From here, you can view your child's transaction history and set spending limits to help them stay within budget. By following these steps, you and your child can use Revolut Junior to make payments easily and securely. Remember to always monitor your child's account activity and teach them about responsible spending habits to help them develop good financial skills from a young age.